Welcome to another video from TDL DIY. I just wanted to do a quick review on these lights, or unboxing I guess, and then we'll move into installing. So far this brand, the packaging is very excellent. Seems to be a very nice, smooth, textured box, very good quality. Looks really good. And as we move to open it up, see what you get inside. So you got this little pry tool, which is it's actually really excellent. I don't have to use a screwdriver and possibly damage any plastic I might be having to pry apart. So that's a really nice little feature, little gift, I guess. So that's excellent that that's in there. What else do we got? Oh, and of course we got the lights. The lights looked as they described on Amazon. Look to be pretty good quality. We'll open the bag here in a second, but and again, they're CAN bus. I was reading a lot of reviews and stuff, and it seemed like my vehicle needed it. A lot of newer vehicles do need it. Basically, the CAN, where it says CAN bus there, might be hard to read, but basically that tricks the light because tricks your computer into thinking that you're taking more voltage than you actually are. Just because with the standard incandescent bulb, it takes a lot more energy draw than the LED lights, and then the computer will run an error and think that there's something wrong. So the CAN bus feature, actually, it's a little chip, and actually tricks the car into thinking that you're taking the proper voltage when yeah. So yeah, the bulbs look very nice, as described. We're going to try and place them in a couple areas, and we'll come back to that in just a second. Welcome back to another video from TDL DIY. I'm going to show you how to change out the regular light bulb for your license plate to one of these LED ones. So I'll just go ahead and do that. Just gonna have to pull it out a bit. Just like that. And all you do is twist, pops out. And just throw the new light bulb in. If it doesn't work the first time, just flip it around and then it should work. So I'll just show you that it works. There you go. It works. It's going to be quite a bit brighter than what it was before. So now I'll just turn it off and put it back together. So all you gotta do is just line it up. Just twist it, lock it in place. So pull it back and throw it back up in there.
pops in just like that. Beautiful. I already did the other side. Spin around. So we'll just put that up in there as well. Pops in. There you go. All done. So just one quick look at what it looks like when it's all done. Yeah, that's much brighter. That's a lot better. I really like it. Really get up there and take a look. Looks good. So I think it's going to really look good at night. I'll do another quick video at night to kind of show you what it looks like. But so far, I'm liking what I see. These are great lights. And I'm going to go around and do possibly some more change of the light bulbs. Maybe the glove box I think takes the same size. Yeah, just keep watching. There you go. That's all it is to make it work, and then we're just going to put it back together. Take a look at it. It's much brighter. You're able to see a lot more, a lot easier. So that's it for I think all the lights that I'm going to be changing to LED in the 2013 Mazda 3. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to subscribe. Please hit that share button and stay tuned to see what else I got coming.